In front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by launching Devices Settings and tapping on Display section after scrolling down a tiny bit over here. Then use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off, or click on adaptive brightness on the left and manage it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!